started life with a 4-cylinder Porsche engine, but now makes all the right noises. I think he's running slightly out of sequence because they were having difficulty getting the thing started, maybe a bit of heat soak in it.
Between us, we've probably got one. Chris, let's face it.
But Morgan has nearly finished. He's followed by Bill Drysdale.